Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to redirect Windows 11 Start menu web searches to default browser. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps, click Default Apps. My default app is Google Chrome. But web search results go to Microsoft Edge. Open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click Download latest stable release. Open downloaded file. Click Run anyway. Now try to search. Search results go to default browser. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.